Hi everyone, welcome to COC channel. Today let's crochet the checkerboard pattern cup sleeve. The base of the cup can be expanded indefinitely. The body is crocheted by repeating one stitch pattern. Let's crochet together following the tutorial. Use 4-ply yarn with a 2.5mm crochet hook. Start with the magic ring. The starting chain doesn't count as a stitch. Round 1. Crochet 12 double crochets. Pull tight and slip stitch to the first stitch. Increase in all 12 double crochet stitches. Round 3. Crochet 12 groups of double crochets. Increase with double crochets. Round 4. Crochet 12 groups of double crochets. Double crochet, increase, double crochet. Stop increasing once it matches the cup base size. Round 5. Work one round of double crochets in the inner half loops. Round 6. Crochet 6 front post double crochets diagonally. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook to the right of the first double crochet. Then bring it out from the left side. Then crochet 1 double crochet. Let me show it once more. Insert the hook to the right of the second double crochet, bring it out from the left and crochet a double crochet. Finish the remaining 4 on your own. Next, crochet 6 back post double crochets. Insert the hook from the inside to the outside of the stitch. Bring it out from the right side of the stitch. Insert from the left, yarn over and crochet a double crochet. Let me show it once more. Crochet 6 stitches in the same way. Follow the pattern of 6 front post and 6 back post stitches. Crochet 1 full round. Crochet a total of 4 rounds. After finishing 4 rounds, switch the stitch pattern. First, crochet 6 back post double crochets. Then crochet 6 front post double crochets. Continue crocheting with this pattern. Crochet 4 rows. Stop when it reaches the desired cup height. Finally, change yarn and crochet 1 round of front post double crochets. The strap is quite simple. Chain 9 stitches. From the 4th chain, crochet 6 double crochets. After finishing chain 2, turn the work. Continue crocheting 6 double crochets. Keep crocheting until it reaches the desired length. The beautiful cup sleeve is finished. Thank you for watching and supporting me.